So let's say that you're a top 50 pharmaceutical company or a medical device company. Why do you need Safeguard? Well, you want to go social because you think you're going to get your products to market. You think you could enable your clinical collaboration at a higher rate. You think that you are going to be able to lower the cost of getting the message out. There's a lot of ability to share knowledge that comes about from going social. So you want to go social and you're worried about policy and company policy and compliance. You're worried about off-label exposure. Could the people be talking about the wrong things? Maybe I bring investigators into my community. Are they going to say the wrong thing and create exposure to me? You're going to have potentially people within a company who might have access to proprietary information that you're worried about the unnecessary disclosure, like the information firewall, if you will. And Safeguard is meant to help kind of protect those messages getting out or getting to the wrong people.
Yeah, it's I think before we started this project that ultimately led to Safeguard, there's this notion that social and compliance were orthogonal concepts, right? And the reality, they're actually complementary. When you start thinking about enterprises adopting social, it's really not a free-for-all. It's not completely open. You do need to establish policies and rules.
Absolutely.
This is not any different if you think about 10 years ago when the internet age came to be. I think in the beginning, especially, I was serving the pharmaceutical industry back then, we saw the same pattern where everybody was excited about what the new media could do for them, but those concerns. And ultimately got to a point where we set up the rules and we allowed it to flourish. We're at that transition point again here with the use of social technologies. And Safeguard really fills in that major gap. So instead of you having to kind of build all those policies and rules and enforce it, take a long time to ultimately take the advantages of it, out of the box, you plug in Safeguard, you get all those, and really speeds up the time for you to go social.
Yeah, there's a lot that kind of as you think about our entire portfolio of solutions where we're enabling collaboration, there's always been a thread at OpenQ around the idea of protecting the compliance needs of our customers. And Safeguard really takes us into a new realm in the sense of being more social than any other product we've had before. But it's also deeply rooted in that concept of helping companies be compliant. In the life sciences industry and healthcare, it's compliance is king.
Right. Another key aspect of it, I think we were incredibly well prepared to do this. We're well positioned is probably a better term. Why we're well positioned? As Jim just mentioned, we were solving compliance challenges in several other business processes. The other element that really makes us well positioned for this is there's an undeniable reality about Safeguard, which is it brings data and software to solve the problem. Since we had the capability of producing data sets, compliance data sets, merged with the software capability, allows us to create this breakthrough product.
Absolutely.